How to make money as a record label part 2. Now this is something that I've been seeing going around for a little while, and I was trying to figure out what would the revenue streams be from them. Okay, so the revenue streams would be based on a lot of different things, but let me tell you what it is. This is called Soundwave Art. There will be a longer version on my YouTube, so just make sure you swipe left and hit the play button on my bio. What this does is it exercises your right of public display. Those 6 rights you get when you copyright music, this is one of them. There are many designers on Etsy. It costs the price of like a deluxe album, and it's something dope that you can hang on the wall. You can also add a QR code to play directly, or play it directly on your phone. So this is a real good revenue maker for not only record labels. On top of that, it's writers, producers, publishers. It basically acts as a super deluxe album. It's a cool thing you can hang on the wall, like some wall ornaments right over here. All right, so I suggest if you're a record company, really look into Soundwave Art. It could be a good thing because it would allow you to get more money, more power, and more respect with your record label, and put actually and develop that extra stream of income for your record label. So remember, if you make music, you should make money. Follow for more music business tips.